Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make one button in timer wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Triple pole MCB circuit breaker, magnetic contactor and overload. On switch, double pole MCB, motor, first phase connection to MCB, second phase connection to MCB, third phase connection to MCB, three phase connection outgoing from MCB to connect contactor, phase connection from contactor coil to on switch, phase connection to contactor NO point, phase connection from contactor to timer, phase connection from NO switch to timer, phase connection from timer to connect contactor, phase connection from timer to connect overload, phase connection input to double pole MCB, neutral connection input to double pole MCB, phase connection from double pole MCB to connect overload, neutral connection from double pole MCB to connect magnetic contactor and timer coil connection, three phase connection from contactor to motor, earthing connection to motor. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.